Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a good quesadilla sauce. Blend roasted peppers, crema, lime juice, garlic, and cumin until smooth, then taste and adjust salt and heat. Use 1 part crema to 2 parts roasted pepper for a balanced, creamy texture. Warm the sauce slightly before serving to deepen flavors, and drizzle it over a hot quesadilla or serve on the side for dipping for best results. Make ingredient choices that match your heat tolerance and the quesadilla fillings. Roast peppers for depth, or use fire-roasted canned peppers when short on time. Pick crema for silkiness, or mix half yogurt for tang and lower fat. Always finish with fresh lime juice and a tiny pinch of salt, then test with a bite of tortilla and cheese to ensure the sauce complements the filling perfectly. Aim for a texture that clings yet still drips a bit when you pull apart a quesadilla. Pulse your blender for a few seconds and scrape down the sides to keep pieces intact. If the sauce is too thick, add a teaspoon of water or milk at a time until you reach a drizzleable consistency. For heat control, start with 1 pepper and add more after tasting to avoid overshooting your spice goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.